So let's talk about how to buy 𝗕𝗜𝗡𝗧𝗏. All right. Well, if you must buy this token, I suggest you make your own research. All right. This is not like the normal tokens you just buy on PancakeSwap. This is those tokens on ERC, one of those tokens on ERC20 that you buy on Uniswap. All right. So if you go to their website, the place where it will be recommended for you to buy the coin is Uniswap. Okay, as you can see at the top there, Uniswap or Shiba Swap. All right, but I recommend Uniswap. All right. So, all right. So let me close this out right now. Copy the contract ID, then go to your wallet. All right, I'm on my wallet right now. Okay, you have to add it automatically to your wallet, so you do that by pasting the contract ID. All right, so I'm just gonna type in this. All right, then type this. Okay, since it's a term, so I'm just gonna leave a term right there and just paste it. Okay, it will appear. All right, this is before buying. All right, so now that we've done that, if you scroll to the bottom, you see that it's just added up right here. So the next thing you see, next thing is to deposit Ethereum to your wallet. All right, so you can see here I already have a Ethereum added to my wallet. See, I have about $1,040 worth of Ethereum deposited in my wallet. So click on dApps, then scroll down and look for Uniswap, or you might just have to type it in there. All right, exchange PancakeSwap. So tap there, tap more. So what I'm looking for here is Uniswap. Okay, I don't seem to find Uniswap right here. Okay, here we go. There's Uniswap. So when you go to Uniswap, the next thing it will ask you for is to connect your wallet. All right, my wallet is connected. All right, so when you connect your wallet, take note here it's connected, and take note here it also was there is Ethereum. All right, so my wallet is connected. So most people you can change to any network while connected to Uniswap that you're operating with. All right, so I'm gonna exit right now. So the token I'm swapping to is called 𝗧𝗧𝗏. So I have to paste the contract ID. Boom, here it comes. All right, so import 𝗧𝗧𝗏. Okay, did y'all just see that? I think it's okay. So all good. All right, so now I want to use everything I have there. All right, let me check this. Slippage is 1%, which is okay. So everything is good. I mean, hit max to see how many dials will be calculated. Is still loading. So 1000 Ethereum will give me, oh no, 1000 Ethereum will give me 1 point, okay, will give me 17.4 for something Ethereum, for the code. All right, so tap on swap. So confirm swap. So all right, accept price update, tap on swap. This process is really need to be fast right here. So insufficient Ethereum balance. So you see I have a fee of about $45 to pay right here. So next I'm going to choose an amount that is below that. All right, so I'm going to reduce this amount I'm using 0.25, okay, 2627, okay, 28. All right, so let's see how that goes. All right, so here we go, confirm swap. Let's see if it goes now. Ooh, I see it's $48 in fee. So I'm going to use something like 0.5. um 8, no, 7, 8. All right, so 7, 8, something there about. I think that this is cool. Confirm swap, swap. All right, this is the value to give to me. Boom. Enter my password to my Trust Wallet, and here we are. Transaction successfully done. I've successfully swapped my Ethereum to COT token. All right, so if you see on the wallet here, boom, it just reflected. All right, because of the fee, I used about 990 something dollars. All right, $993 thereabout. So you can see we have $976 right here somewhere taken up in slippage charges. All right, so it should climb up to on the wallet right here. Climb up, climb up, cut. Is this still down below? Yeah. All right. So here we have it here. All right. So that's just a simple way to swap your COD, to swap your Ethereum to COD token. Thank you for watching my video. Subscribe to my channel. See you in my next video.